In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically copy data from one Excel worksheet to another. By the end, you'll have a destination sheet that stays in sync with your source, without manual copying and pasting. First, open your workbook and make sure your source data is clean and organized. Put clear headers in the first row, with no completely blank column headers or stray merged cells. Select any single cell inside your data and turn the range into an Excel table by pressing Ctrl+T. Check that My Table Has Headers is selected, then confirm. Tables expand automatically as you add rows, which is exactly what we want for a live connection. Next, switch to the sheet where you want the copied data to appear. Click the top left cell where the data should start. If you're using a modern version of Excel with dynamic arrays, you can mirror the entire dataset with one formula. Type a filter formula that points to the columns you want to copy and excludes empty rows. For example, reference your source sheet's full column range and use the first column as the include test so blank rows don't come through. When you press Enter, Excel spills the results across and down, instantly creating a live mirror. As you add, change, or delete rows in the source table, the destination updates automatically. A couple of quick checks help keep things smooth. Make sure calculation is set to Automatic in Formulas, Calculation Options. If you see a little blue border indicating a spilled range, avoid typing inside that area. Keep your notes or totals outside the spill so the array can resize freely. If your source grows beyond the existing columns, expand the referenced range or adjust your formula to point at entire columns so it never cuts off new fields. If your version of Excel doesn't support filter, you can still automate with Power Query. Select any cell in your source table. Go to Data, then from Table, Range. In the Power Query editor, you don't need to transform anything. Just click Close and Load and choose to load it to a new worksheet or the exact sheet and cell you want. Right-click the loaded table, open its properties, and enable Refresh Data when opening the file. From now on, a quick data, Refresh All will pull the latest rows from the source automatically. That's it. With a well-structured source table and either a simple formula or a Power Query connection, your destination sheet will stay up to date with zero manual copying.